Hemi 1500 alternator replacement. First thing you want to do is remove one of your terminals. Alright, so you just need a 3/8 drive right down there in your tensioner. Pull towards the driver's side to release the tension off the belt. And disconnect your electrical connector. Just unplug it, pull up, and cover your cap here. Positively bleed, number 13 nut. You want to get that off now. Okay, first we're going to start by removing that bolt right there. Number 13. Alright, so you're going to have to remove that whole bracket for number 13s. This bracket right here, but there's a stud. Alright, so once you remove your bracket, I'm going to remove that number 15 down there. Alright, so once that bracket's loose, you need to take out that number 15 in order to get this out. Alright, once you get that bolt out, there's a whole stud, as you can see. Alright, once you use a pry bar back and forth on the alternator, one side, that's pretty much it. Just rock it out of there, take it out of your engine. There you go, alternator's removed. Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7 liter alternator removal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.